So today I'm here with Olaplex products, which is a hair care product which is mostly used in salons. One of the ranges from Olaplex. Here I have Olaplex in number 0 and in number 3. So I will show you how to apply it and the before and after picture of using Olaplex on my hair. I have recently cut down my hair because it used to be so rough. Especially at the ends, it used to be very rough, frizzy and dull and dry. Means these are all the adjectives I can use for my hair. So the Olaplex number 3 says that it repairs and strengthens all hair type. So as I have wavy hairs and it is very dry and frizzy, so I think it will work to control the frizz, to strengthen my strands, because I also face a lot of hair fall. So that's an added problem which I have with my hair. So let's see how it works. So before using Olaplex, my hair was much more frizzier than this because I have already used this Olaplex treatment for 2 days already. So I will just show you that how these things work. So first we have to use this Olaplex number 0 following this number 3. So this is Olaplex number 0, which says intensive bond building hair treatment. Okay, primes, repairs, strengthens and protect all hair type. So this comes in a spray bottle. Previously it used to come in a nozzle, and this is the new spray bottle of Olaplex number 0. So I always like to do hair treatment on a clean hair and a clean scalp. So yesterday night I washed my hair and today morning I haven't, but I know that my hair is clean and it is ready for a treatment. So we will read the instruction. What does it say, that how to use this product? It says that apply slowly to dry hair, distributing evenly from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. So means we have to dampen our hair with this, not like drench our hair. Leave for 10 minutes. For the best result, apply number 3 hair perfector over number 0. So I will spray it slowly so that it doesn't get into my eyes or somewhere around. Mostly I'm triggering it at the roots, and then slowly I'll go to the tip part.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
So now you can see that my hair is completely covered with this number 0 Olaplex. And it is further easier to work with a spray bottle than with a nozzle. So I think it's better, just make sure that it doesn't get into your eyes or something. So now we have to leave it for 10 minutes. They haven't mentioned to massage it into your hair or something, so I'll just keep it like this. And after 10 minutes I will apply the number 3 on my hair. Okay, so it's already 10 minutes that I have applied Olaplex number 0. So now is the time to apply this in number 3 because at the bottle they have mentioned that you can apply it after 10 minutes. So this one is a repairs and strengthens all hair types. So this is also a repair product which also strengthens your hair bond. So this is in a creme consistency. You can see the bottle. I just like to shake it a little bit. So we have to apply this from the root to the tip, so that more or less the hairs are all saturated with the product. So I have put this number 3 on my hair strands, like from the root to the tip, and every hair is coated with this cream. It's not like that you have to put it in a way that it is dripping from your hair, but you have to generously coat the product on your hair. So if we read the instructions of how long we have to keep it in our hair, the bottle says that leave it for minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. So here they have written that keep it for 10 minutes, but if you go to their website, you can see that you can leave this product from 30 minutes to 45 minutes max. If you have other question regarding leaving this Olaplex overnight on your hair, you can visit their website and check it out, that it is not advisable to keep it overnight, as it will not give you any kind of benefit from that. So as prescribed, I will just go according to what they have said or they have mentioned in their website, and I'm not going to keep it for 10 minutes, but I'm going to keep it for 30 long minutes and finally show you what the results are. I will also not be doing any kind of hair styling today, because I just want to show you how my hair naturally looks after using Olaplex. Because the previous result, the before picture which I have shown you, was like my normal hair where I don't have any kind of hair product or I haven't used any styling tool on my hair. So I want this review to be genuinely true, so that you can see how Olaplex in itself works on my hair and how my hair feel after using it. So this has been 30 minutes now, and you can see that the product is absorbed in my hair, and it is not completely dry, but it is still like wet, but I will not keep it more than which is prescribed, so like which is mentioned in their website. So it is already 30 to 35 minutes. So now I'm going to quickly wash my hair, but I'm not using any Olaplex shampoo or conditioner. In that case, I'm using my normal shampoo and conditioner. So what you have to do is you have to wash your hair with a shampoo and then follow it with a conditioner. So after that, I'll get back to you. So here I have washed my hair, and this is how my wet hair looks. So yeah, you can use a leave-in conditioner if you want to, but I will just show you how does this looks after my hair gets dry. So now my hairs are all dried up, and you can see it is little wet at the ends, but you can see how like smooth my hair looks. It does not look lifeless at all right now. So this is how it looks from behind.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look.
So here goes my final thought about using Olaplex No.0 and in No.3. The thing is, if you have tried a lot of products, or you have tried a lot of DIYs to give life back to your hair, then definitely try this. Do not spend randomly on various products which might or might not work on your hair. So if you have really damaged, dull and lifeless hair, then I think at least for once you should invest in Olaplex, because this has shown me results. I will share some before pictures, like when I have never used Olaplex before. So at that time I was not very confident to keep my hair open when I'm going out, because it used to fly away like something on my head. So from now on, what happens is, after using Olaplex, this was my third time I was using Olaplex, so I feel confident about my hair. It looks good. Like yeah, it's not a magic, but with multiple uses, my texture of my hair is getting better and better. So I hope you like this video. If you like whatever I shared with you, the way we use it, my experience and everything in between, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. I love you all, and bye bye.